Julie. Look at the colors. Look at the colors on this bird. He's got this really pretty pattern when his tail opens up. You are so beautiful. And he's real young. He's got a little bit of dark around here, which goes away when I get a little older, but he's going to be a precious little baby for you. You let go of my finger. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay, little guy. Oh, you're so cute. You are just the cutest baby. Yes, you are. Oh, you're a sweet birdie. You're really pretty. You're such a pretty boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He was been on my shoulder all day. Yeah. I need to kiss her too. He's a sweet little guy. Kind of like Velcro, however. It sticks to any place he's at. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Are you good? Oh, baby. Good, good baby. Oh. He's a sweet boy. You're my sweet boy. Good boy. Oh.